In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IBAN number on the Barclays app. Before we jump in, a quick note on what we're looking for. Your IBAN or international bank account number is the format banks use to identify your account for international payments. It includes your country code, bank details, and your account number in a standardized way. You'll often be asked for it when receiving money from abroad alongside your bank's SWIFT or BC code. Let's get started. First, open the Barclays app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you're connected to a secure internet connection and use your usual login method, whether that's your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. If the app prompts you to update, it's a good idea to do that first so everything looks and works as expected. Once you're in, you'll land on your list of accounts. Tap on the specific account you want to check. If you have multiple accounts, such as current and savings, pick the one you'll be using for the transfer. Your IBAN is unique to each account, so this step is important. When the account page opens, look for the Manage option. It's usually near the top or in a menu on the account screen. Tap Manage to open more settings and tools related to this account. This is where Barclays groups the key actions you can take. From the Manage menu, select Share Account Details. This is the shortcut that brings all the important information into one place, ready for you to view or share securely if needed. After you tap it, you'll see a summary of your account details on screen. This includes your sort code and account number for UK transfers, as well as your IBAN and your bank's SWIFT code for international payments. Take a moment to verify you're looking at the correct account name and details. If you plan to pass these details to someone, double check for accuracy and share them only with trusted parties. It's best to send them through secure channels and avoid posting them publicly. If you're entering them into a form, enter them exactly as shown, including any country code at the start of the IBAN, and that's it. By opening the Barclays app, choosing your account, tapping Manage, and then Share Account Details, you can quickly view your IBAN along with your sort code, account number, and SWIFT code. Keep these details handy for international transfers, and you'll be set for smooth, secure payments.